Hi, Scott and Julie with the Knowles Woolsey team. Welcome to our newest listing at 94 Bishop Drive. With everything that's going on in the world, we're finding lots of people want to upsize.
That's right. If you want to get out of the city and you're looking for more space, this is the ideal location for you. We got lots of square footage here, lots of parking with a double car garage. All the majors have been updated here, roof, windows, and furnace, all in the last 5 or 6 years. In addition to that, the cherry on top, we got not just one, possibly a 2-bedroom apartment down in the lower level. Let's get inside and have a look. With over 2,500 square feet finished on the main and upper, each room is more spacious than the next. Multiple living areas, the formal dining room, and if you're tired of working at that kitchen table, we got the main floor office for you.
This home boasts a generous-sized eat-in kitchen that flows seamlessly to the outdoor space. It's perfect for entertaining indoors or out. It may appear like I'm in another living space, but in fact, I'm in the master bedroom. This room is so spacious, there's plenty of room to sleep and curl up with a good book.
Imagine your home could generate you an extra $1,300 a month. How about an extra $1,500 a month? This lower level's got an absolutely stunning 1-bedroom in-law suite, gorgeous kitchen, 1 bedroom, 1 bath, fully updated. In addition to that, we got not 1 but 2 entrances to the lower level here. So if you want to maintain your rec room for those kids, you can still do that with the apartment. In addition to that, if you want to turn it into a 2-bedroom and boost that income, we got you covered easily there too. With over 135 feet of depth, this backyard checks off all the boxes. It starts with the oversized deck and tons of privacy, ideal for those outdoor get-togethers.
If you're tired of those endless grocery runs, you can plant all of your produce in this generous-sized garden.
If you decide to rent out that lower level, we got a bonus for the tenants as well. Check out this side yard. Ideal spot for them to barbecue, sit back, relax with a drink after work without interfering with your backyard space.
For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.